Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hope you all are fine. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can see you all. Very happy today. I don't want any faces sitting worried. I want all happy faces. Smile, please. Okay. Carolyn Matthew, what happened? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, you're there.
Yes, ma'am.
Emelina Rose, no photo. Sorry, no video. Switch on your video. Don't switch off the videos. Okay. Sriram, 7A. Sriram, switch on video. Switch on your video.
The video is on, ma'am.
Arjun MR. Okay. Now I saw. Arjun MR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then Gogul Krishna. Switch on your video. Okay. So I think almost 37 participants came. So we shall start with our class. Children, yesterday, that means the previous class I have given. Do you remember what all things we learned? The last class. Yeah. I'll ask one by
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Parvati. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Parvati.
Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
understand from what all things we studied in the last class?
Ma'am, supplementary angles.
Yes, supplementary angles we studied. What are supplementary angles?
Ma'am, when we add two angles,
Yes.
the sum is 180.
Sum is 180 degree.
180
When we add
degree.
two angles, we should get the sum 180
180
degree.
degree.
And I have given some homework related to it, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, hope you all should sit with your homework ready in front of you. Okay. And after that, after discussing that, any doubts are there, you can clear with me. Okay. So, I'll be asking one by one. Yes, Carlin Matthew, I cannot see you moving. Any problem for your video?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. So answer me first question. What is the answer? And one more thing, children. Today you have to sit with your rough book, scale and pencil. Okay. You will have to draw sometimes. Clear? And when I'm giving problems, you have to write in the book and find it out. Okay, children?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
sit with your rough book where you have done the homework. Carlin, what is the answer for the first question?
80
Find
degree, ma'am.
80 degree. Find the supplement of 100 degree. Answer is 80 degree. Total 180. Good. Lakshmi, next question.
Ma'am, I'll say
What is the supplementary angle for 90 degree?
90 degree, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. 90 degree itself. Next, I'll call Anusha Latish. Anusha, what is the answer for the next question?
125 degree.
You are not there, Anusha?
Ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
125 degree.
Okay, 125 degree. 55 degree was the question. So answer is 125 degree. Now the next question is Pranavatmak. Pranavatmak, are you there? Your
Yes,
video
ma'am.
is stuck. Yes. What is the answer? Next question. 125.
55 degree.
55 degree. So you're all ready with your homework. Very good. Okay. So answer is 55 degree. Good. Then last question was, the sum of two angles is 180 degree. The condition was this: larger angle is 44 degree more than smaller angle. Anybody got answer for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Isa Jivaraj. Isa, what is the answer for that question? Did you get the answer?
60 degree.
Excuse me?
Ma'am, 60 and 112.
Very good, very good. 68 degree and 102. Anyway, I'll explain that question. Little bit twisted question. I think all of you got the answer for that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't say the answer.
Lakshmi. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. Isa.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't say the answer. Lakshmi said the answer.
Okay. Isa, did you get the answer? Did you get?
Ma'am, I got it, but
Lakshmi, excuse me, whoever I'm asking only need to answer. Okay, you cannot, like the class, you cannot simply answer the question. Whoever I'm asking should answer. Okay. After answering, you switch off your microphone. I told you in the last class, otherwise all the sounds in your, whatever is going on there will be heard in the video. Okay. So, Isa, did you answer me? Isa? Hello? So, you didn't get the answer.
ma'am.
Isa?
Ma'am,
Oh.
ma'am, I got number now, so I don't have.
Problem is there in your video. Okay. Emelina Rose. Emelina Rose. What is the answer of that question? Emelina. Hello. Are you hearing me? No. Okay, fine. So let me answer that question. Okay, I think it is a little bit twisted question. Many of you might not have answered it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's me Sriram.
Okay, Sriram, answer it.
Not ma'am, I have a doubt for that notes. Math notes doubt. Ma'am, adjacent angle last 3 questions, right?
That you need not write. That was oral questions. Or that was oral questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We have discussed in the class.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This last question, anyway, I'll solve it for you, children. So let's share the screen. Okay. Listen. Wait a minute. Let the board get started. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let me explain that question. Okay. So what was the question? Two angles are supplementary angles. The condition given was larger angle is 44 degree more than the smaller angle. So let's take the bigger angle as x. Okay. So let the bigger angle be, you can see the board, no? The bigger angle be,
Yes.
angle is equal to x. See, the bigger angle is x. Now, what is smaller angle? Let the smaller angle be y. Equal to y. Okay. Now, it is given that the larger angle is 44 degree more than the smaller angle. So, I will write what is the larger angle x. X is equal to how much? 44 degree more than y. So y plus 44. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Because the larger angle is 44 degree more than smaller angle. So smaller angle is y. So smaller angle plus 44 makes the larger angle. Okay. Now you know x plus y is equal to 180. Why? X plus y is equal to 180. X
Because
is
it's supplementary.
good. Because they are supplementary. So you
Supplementary
can write
angle.
x plus y is equal to 180. Okay. Now, what is x here? I got the value of x. What is x? X I can write it as y plus 44, isn't it? Instead of x,
Yes.
I can write what? Y plus 44. Isn't it? So instead of x here, I am writing y plus 44. Okay. Instead of x here, I am writing y plus 44 plus this y. This y. Clear now? Any doubt? No.
No, ma'am.
Is it any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Because instead of x, I wrote y plus 44 and then the next y also I am writing. Total, I'll get 180 degree. Isn't it? Now, y plus y, what is the answer?
2y.
2y. Very good. 2y is y plus this 44 is equal to 180 degree.
Ma'am, so which is the other way?
Otherwise the smaller angle. Y plus 44 is x, the larger angle. See, we got what is x? X is equal to y plus 44. So instead of x, I'll write y plus 44. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this y plus another y. Excuse me. I'll take another color. See, this y plus this y. What I'll get? 2y. See. Okay. Y plus y, 2y. Plus this 44 is equal to 180 degree. So now what is 2y? Is equal to 180 minus 44. What will be the answer? 180 minus 44, you will get 136. 136 degree you will get the answer. Isn't it? So 2y is 136. So what is y?
136 of it.
Yeah, 136 divided by
2.
Good. Yes. Yeah. Take the color of the pen. Change the color of the pen. Okay. So you'll get 2y is equal to 136. So what is y? Y is equal to 136
136 divided by 2.
Okay, good. What is the answer?
68.
68. Okay. So you will get 68 degree. So what is y? Y is 68.
68.
So what will be x? X is
One,
what?
68 plus 44.
X is y plus 44. Okay. So you will be getting?
112.
Yeah.
5 plus 44.
Yeah. So you will be getting?
104.
Yeah, y plus 44. Isn't it? X is equal to y plus 44. So you will be getting
68 plus 44.
So what will be the answer?
112.
12 degree. So what are the answers you get? X is equal to how much? X is equal to, we got
Equal to
112.
112.
And y is equal to
68.
68 degree.
68. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So last one we get. Last one we'll get. X is final answer is this. Final answer is this. X is equal to 112 degree and y is equal to 68
degree.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, now we shall pass on to the next topic. Before that, Yesterday I started with adjacent angles, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Any peculiarity do you remember of adjacent angles?
Yes.
No, it was not clear. Okay. So let me go back to the board.
It has a common vertex.
Ah, very good. Who is answering? Who is answering?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Okay, okay, fine. Lakshmi,
And it
what
has
are the
a common
peculiarities?
arm.
Adjacent angles.
It
Good.
has a common arm.
Good,
Ma'am,
good, good.
it has the
Non-common
common arms
arms
are
are
and
Either
they're
side of the
either
common.
sides of the
common
common
arm.
arm.
One at a time. Let me ask Gauri. Gauri, do you remember what I taught yesterday about adjacent angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, what are the peculiarities of adjacent angles?
They have common vertex.
Good. They have a common vertex. Then,
They have a common arm.
good. They have a common arm. Then,
The non-common arms on the either side of the common arm.
good. Very good. Non-common arms are on either sides of the common arm. These are the peculiarities of adjacent angle. I'll just roughly explain once more and we'll go to the slideshow. Okay.
Being daughter is here.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. I've been here for some time.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, carry on, carry on.
Okay, okay, sir.
Checking for 7A. We are simplifying the steps.
Sir, 7A class. 7A class.
But we are simplifying
Sir.
that we think independently and do.
Sir, I'm not hearing you, sir. Some disturbance
Yes,
system.
maybe. The steps you are taking are too simplified for 7A.
Simplified.
Too much.
Ah, okay. No need to simplify too much. Okay.
Don't
Okay, sir.
simplify
Okay.
because this
Okay,
is
sir.
supposed to be a very excellent class.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, I'll just revise just once more. What are the peculiar? Everybody may not be understanding. That's why I'm explaining.
Okay, okay, carry on.
Okay.
Yes,
So just adjacent angles. Now I'm drawing a C. So here we can say non-common arms. These are non-common arms. This is a common arm. This is a common arm. So you can see what are the peculiarities. There is a common point O, vertex O, and there are two non-common arms on both sides, and in the center, in the middle, they have a common arm. These are the peculiarities of adjacent angles that I explained yesterday, isn't it? Adjacent angles. Now we'll pass on to the next topic, that is linear pair.
Ma'am, can you please repeat again?
Which one? Adjacent angles?
I didn't understand. Adjacent angles.
Adjacent angles. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yesterday I have explained it, but you told you didn't understand. That's why I.
Yeah.
Okay. That is. Look here. Look. I'm just drawing angle. This is one ray. Okay. From point O. One ray from point O. Next ray, I'm drawing like this from the same point. Then, in the middle, I'm drawing another ray. So, I have drawn how many rays? Three rays I have drawn. They have a common vertex. We call it common vertex, common point from where they origin. Do you see that?
Okay, ma'am.
That
Yeah, ma'am.
point is known as the vertex. Vertex, that is known as the vertex.
Vertex.
Now, first one I'll mark it as ray OA. Do you agree? Ray OA.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next, I'll be marking the center one as ray OB. Second one as ray OB. Third one as ray OC.
Oh, see.
OC. Okay. So,
Ma'am.
vertex 0 OA. Vertex is O. First ray OA. Second one OB. And third one OC. Now, this form a pair of adjacent angle, that is angle 1 and angle 2, we call as adjacent angles. Why you know? What are the peculiarities you can see?
Because they have
They have
common
a common
vertex.
vertex. And this,
Arm.
this is called a common arm, which is coming in the center is known as a common arm. Common arm. Common arm. We don't call it race. Okay, we call it arms. OA is one arm of the angle. OC is another arm of the angle.
Ma'am.
Yes, excuse me.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
Ma'am, I'm Rudra. Can I leave the class, ma'am? I'm not feeling well.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, my stomach is paining, ma'am.
Okay, take leave for 5 minutes and come back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Others listen. So this is called a common arm because it is common for both the arms. This one, these two are known as non-common arms. These two are known as non-common arms. Non-common because they are not common. Okay, non-common arms. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can see the peculiarities of adjacent angle. They have a common vertex. They have a common arm. And non-common arms are on both sides of the arm. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now we will go for the next topic. I'll show you the figure explanation. Before that, let me finish the linear pair also. After that, together I'll show the slides. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. So we will go to
Linear
the
pair.
linear pair. We are going to see what is a linear pair. Same thing, but there is some difference between adjacent angles and linear pair. Linear pair is also adjacent angle, but only small differences. Yeah. I'm going to draw one figure. Just listen. See this. Can you see three rays here? Three rays, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see three rays, isn't it? One is OA, one is OA, the other one is OB, and the other one is OC. Do they have a common vertex, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the common vertex?
Oh.
O is the common vertex. Now, only one small peculiarity is there for linear pair. Adjacent angle can be called as a linear pair if,
Ma'am,
yeah,
my mother has problem, so I was not able to hear you.
I'll explain to you later, okay? Just
Thank you, ma'am.
now let me continue with the class. I'll explain
Okay,
to you
ma'am.
later. Okay. So this point is a common point. We have two rays and also a common arm in the middle. Which is the common arm in the middle here? OC, isn't it? Okay. So we can say that these rays can form an adjacent angle. These are a pair of adjacent angles. But again, one more peculiarity is there for those adjacent angles. Can you see the non-common arms? That is OA and OB. I'll specify that.
OB.
See this. Ray OA. Can you see now? Ray OA
Yes, ma'am.
and this ray OB.
Yes, ma'am.
Highlighting it. Ray OB. Does it form a straight line, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Are they
Yes, ma'am.
opposite ray? Are they opposite arms? And they are making 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They are making opposite arms are making 180 degree.
180
Which
degree.
pair of adjacent angles are known as linear pairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Okay,
see the
ma'am.
color? Green color is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So we call those set of adjacent angles are known as linear pairs.
Linear pair.
Linear
Okay.
pair. We call them linear pair. Why we call them linear pair? Because
They make
opposite
a straight angle.
They make a
forms
straight
a
angle.
straight angle. It's 180 degree. Such pair of adjacent angles can be called as linear pair. Others simply we will call them adjacent angles.
angles.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll show you the slides related to it. Then it will be more clear to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Wait for a minute. These slides I have shown yesterday. Now let me go for this other one. Next. See, adjacent angles. Should I zoom it?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay. What are the peculiarities of adjacent angles? They have a common vertex.
Common vertex.
They have a common vertex.
common
They have
arm.
a common
They
arm.
don't
Common arm.
Common
On
arms.
either eye side of the common arm.
Yes. Next, this one did we do this yesterday? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which one? Look, in this, which first one can be called adjacent angles? Yes. Second one?
Linear pair.
Yes. Third one? No, they don't have a common vertex. Can you call the second one a linear pair, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because
They
their opposite rays are forming.
Straight
Opposite rays are forming.
Straight angle.
See this. This O. Opposite rays are forming 180 degree, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we can call them as linear pairs.
Yes.
Okay. Now, next slide. Now, this what explanation of linear pair. Look at this. What is a linear pair? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles.
Ma'am, will you zoom it? Ma'am, will you zoom it?
Yeah. Now, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Do you agree with?
Yes.
See the first figure. See the first figure. See angle 1 and angle 2. Are they linear, forming a linear pair, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second one. See the second one.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. They are not forming, isn't it? They are not forming a straight line. We can form a straight line if we draw like this, but it is going like this, isn't it? So they are not a linear pair.
Yes.
They are not a linear
Pair.
pair. Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So linear pair is also clear for you. So we'll go to the next slide. Now I'll show you from real life example. Look, from the real life example, you can see a vegetable chopping board. Chopping blade makes a linear pair of angles with the board. Isn't it? Vegetable chopping board. Can you see the board now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The vegetable chopping board is making a linear pair
Linear pair.
with the board. Chopping blade is making. This is the blade. This is the blade. And it is making a linear pair with the chopping board. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next one you see a pen stand. A pen stand. Pen makes a linear pair of angles with the stand. See, this is the pen stand. Some disturbances are coming. Please switch off the any TV, television or anything. All of you switch off your microphones. I don't want any noise over here. Okay, children. Now, see the pen stand that is also forming a pair of. That is also forming a linear pair. This can be taken as angle 1 and this can be taken as angle 2. It's not clear? Okay. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Clear? So, in real life also, we can see so many examples of linear pair. Okay. Now, next slide we'll see. See the question? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First one. Listen to the first one. Can two acute angles form a linear pair? Can two acute angles form a linear pair?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Who is answering?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. No, because each one is less than 90
90
degrees.
degree.
So they cannot form a linear pair.
Linear pair.
Linear pair means
180 degree.
together should make 180 degrees, isn't it? So they cannot form a linear. Then, can two obtuse angles form? I'll call the name. Only those people have to answer. I want to check whether everybody have understood the concept. Can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Carlin,
No, ma'am.
two obtuse angles, can they form a linear pair?
Yes.
No. Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, because each one is more than 180, isn't it?
Yes,
So they
ma'am.
cannot together form 180 degrees.
Lean.
Sorry, no, obtuse angles are more than 90. More than 90. Each one is more than 90
90.
obtuse angles. So they together make more than 180. So
180
they cannot form a linear pair.
Linear pair.
So next one, yes, Amna Shirin, answer
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Last question. Can two right angles form a linear pair?
Yes, ma'am.
Can two right angles form a linear pair?
Yes, ma'am.
Think. Yes. Why? Why?
Because 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree.
Okay, very good. So 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree. So they can form a pair of, they can form linear pair. Okay, they can form a linear pair. Just check next one. Okay. Question. It's another type of question. Can you see the questions, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now let me check others. Okay. Anthony Babu,
Yes, ma'am.
are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. Which of the following pair of angles form a linear pair? Okay. Yes, Anthony, answer me. First one, does it form linear pair?
No. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
How can it be linear pair?
140 plus 40 degrees, 180 degrees.
See, it is 140 plus 40 is 180 degree. So we can say that they are
These
supplementary angles, isn't it? Supplementary angles. Are they adjacent angles?
Yeah.
Are they adjacent? By this time mating. Okay. So no, linear pair means what? Linear pair, they should form, the non-common arms should form a straight line. Then only we can call them a linear pair. Okay. Now, wait. So you cannot say that they can form a linear pair. They are supplementary angles. Next one, 60 plus 60. Do they form?
No.
No. Next one, 90 plus
No.
80. No.
No.
115 plus 65.
No. No. Yes. No. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Linear pair. I'm not
Yes.
asking supplementary angles. Linear pair.
Yes,
No.
ma'am. It is linear. No, ma'am.
Linear pair. No.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the first
So
one and
next,
the last one.
pass on to the next slide. Okay, thank you. That is the slide. Now, just pass on to the next one. Next topic. Today's next topic is, so did you understand? We'll have a revision of what all things we studied till now. First one, we started with lines, rays, then angles, etc., which you have studied already in standard 6. Next, first topic was complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Gauri, Parvati?
Ma'am, when
What are complementary angles?
two acute angles to form 90 degrees.
No, two angles together make 90 degree. We can call each one a complementary to the other. Next one, Shifana. Next topic was supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Shifana, what are supplementary angles?
Take 180 degrees.
Total, if both the angles make 180 degree, we can call them as supplementary angles. Then, next, okay, next topic was adjacent angles. We learned some peculiarities of adjacent angles. They have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the arms on both sides of the common arm, sorry, the non-common arms are on both sides of the common arm. That is the peculiarity of adjacent angle. Then next was linear pair. What was the peculiarity of linear pair? In adjacent angles, if the opposite arms form a straight line, then we can call them as a linear pair. Non-common arms, hello? Hello? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. So if the non-common arms form a straight line.
I'm having a doubt.
Yes. Who is?
Ma'am,
Adityan.
ma'am, I didn't understand the last homework question.
Excuse me?
Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the homework's last question.
See, linear pair of angles, I can show you. It will come like this. See this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Common
not
vertex. Excuse me.
adjacent angles homework.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello. Okay.
Ma'am, she is saying she didn't understand adjacent angles homework.
You were not there in the class. This is the second time I'm teaching what are adjacent
I'm
angles.
not a Hanan.
Okay.
Not adjacent angles, ma'am. Homework.
Okay. Okay, now linear pair is forming a, see, together angle 1 and angle 2. See, you can see they are forming a straight angle. Okay. So such pair is known as a linear pair. So till this much we have understood. Okay. Now we are passing on to another topic, that is now let us see next one. Okay, now we are going to start with the next topic. What is this, children? They are pencils, okay? Pencils. Two different colored pencils. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen, no? So stop share. Now hope you all can see me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See this. What I have taken?
Two pencils.
Pencils.
Two pencils, no? Two pencils I have tied with a rubber band. You might have seen such situations. Can you give an example of such a thing from your real life? Like this.
Ma'am, crossmark.
Hello?
And scissors.
Scissors, very good. Common example you can give, no? Scissors, good. Then, okay. So scissors you have seen, no? They are forming a peculiar type of angles. Now what I did, I have taken two pencils and I tied with a rubber band. And see how many angles are formed. How many angles are formed? Consider this as two lines. Okay. Consider this as two lines. How many angles are formed? Can you tell me?
Four.
This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 down, angle 4, isn't it? So 4 different types of angles are formed. So if you take okay, nobody is sitting with book. You have to sit with book, scale and pencil. Okay.
And we have the book with us.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have.
Ruler
Ma'am,
is
I
there.
have.
Ruler is there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ruler and
Yes,
pencil.
ma'am.
Okay. You can draw two lines like this, cross each other, vertical lines.
I have.
Just draw two lines, intersecting lines. Just draw two intersecting lines. And if you know to measure, I hope you should know to measure the angles with protractor. If you have to go to find out the protractor, don't go from there. We have only less time. Okay. So if you draw, you have to draw like that and just measure the angles. Just measure the angles. No protractor. Okay. So those
Ma'am,
who have the protractor. Okay. Okay. Just try to measure it. Draw the
I'm
angles.
90 degree.
I'm 90 degree.
All are 90 degree. Don't
120
draw vertical. Just simply draw two lines. 90 degree we will get equal. No, don't need to draw perpendicular. Just
90
like simply you draw.
120 degree.
120. One is 120. Then what is the opposite angle?
70 degree.
Opposite to that. Okay, one is 120. Then the other one. Measure it properly. You should know to measure properly. Okay.
70. 70, 120.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, 110.
One is 120.
Yes.
70. Other one
70,
70.
120 and 60 you got?
70.
Just
70.
check the opposite angles. Or which
70.
angles? Angles coming opposite to each other?
120 and 60.
No. Opposite angles, I'm asking.
180.
180. Total 180, isn't it? I'll draw.
50
I'll
and
draw.
130.
Now I'll draw. You can understand. So let me share the screen. Then it is clear to you.
Ma'am, 40 degree.
One is 40 degree. Then what is the other one?
Ma'am, 50 and 130 degree.
50 and 130 degree. Okay. I am asking opposite angles. Just see the opposite angles.
140 and
140 and
40.
140 itself you will get. Okay, now just listen to the screen. Just listen to the screen. I am just drawing a line. Sorry, that. Just erase off. I'm drawing two lines, okay? Like this. One line. We use other color. Can you see the board, children?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now let me use the other color. Right. Now I'm putting the. You have to measure this angle. We'll mark it as angle 1. So this be line L and this be line M. You know, lines are marked by small letters, isn't it? When two lines L and M are intersecting each other, we get 4 angles. Angle 1, then
Angle
see
2.
angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Okay, 4 angles are there. Now, what about angle 1 and angle 3? You have
Ma'am,
drawn correctly, you will get same.
Same.
You will get the same angle.
angle 1 and 3 same.
Angle 1 and 3, opposite angles. Okay, angle 1 and 3. Angle 1 and 3 will be equal. They will be equal. Draw properly and measure with protractor. Properly, you will see that both the opposite angles are equal. Now you check angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4 you check.
Ma'am, it is equal.
Equal.
They are equal, isn't it? So, what do you understand? These angles are known as vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1. And take other pen, it's not clear. All prominent colors are used. Okay. So, see, this angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. And angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Now, angle 1 and 3, angle 3 are called vertically opposite angles. Now, angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite. And angle 1 and angle 3 are also vertically opposite. You understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me write. So we can say that when two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are formed. 4 angles are formed, and in that vertically opposite angles are equal. What do we say? Vertically opposite
Angles are equal.
Clear. Okay, now let me wind up the meeting. It's time for 7C now. Okay, children. Hope you all have
Okay,
understood.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
The next
Thank you,
one
ma'am.
more
Thank you,
period
ma'am.
you have.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You have one more period.
Thank
huh?
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The remaining we'll do in the next period.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Its
Thank you,
time
ma'am.
is up.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you
Thank
at
you, ma'am.
other class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.